And tonight, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita is being investigated for comments he made back in 2022 about an Indiana doctor. It's part of a complaint filed by the Indiana Supreme Court Disciplinary Commission. Lauren Kostick is here to break down what this complaint alleges. Lauren, can you fill us in?
Yeah, this complaint, it's 56 pages long and it was just filed this morning, so it's still new and it's still fresh. And basically what it says is it goes back to when this all started, when he was investigating an Indiana doctor more than a year ago.
The new documents outline 3 charges, all dealing with confidentiality and comments Rokita made to a national news outlet last summer. One is centered around the investigation of Dr. Caitlin Bernard, who spoke publicly about a 10-year-old rape victim from Ohio who received an abortion in Indiana. The complaint alleges Rokita told a Fox News host he was investigating Dr. Bernard. However, at the time, the investigation was still pending and the complaint had not yet been filed. Rokita also faces a charge for publicly referring to Dr. Bernard as a, quote, abortion activist acting as a doctor with a history of failure to report. Here's a snippet of that interview.
We have this abortion activist acting as a doctor with a history of failing to report. So we're gathering the information, we're gathering the evidence as we speak, and we're going to fight this to the end.
Rokita has since responded to these allegations, saying the complaint stemmed from grievances and that he has a duty to keep the public informed of the office's actions and decisions. This complaint also comes just days after Rokita filed a lawsuit against IU Health, saying the organization violated privacy laws.
As for what's next, Indiana Supreme Court justices will ultimately decide if there was any misconduct and also, Felicia, if any sanctions are necessary.
Okay, some big news coming into our newsroom today. Thanks for being on top of it, Lauren.